Hey guys, welcome back to part B of number 2, 2018 free response. Write the word pair list method num matches. The method returns the number of word pair objects in all pairs for which the two strings match. Let's see what they're referring to. Here's an example. We have this array of type string. It has the red fox, the red. If you guys recall from part A, you can only take the first guy and then anyone after, okay? Similarly, let's get a different color. You take the second guy and anyone after. So all of the different types of pairs that can be made are the red, red, the red, and then it becomes like this. Now, we want to take a look at the ones that match. So if you notice, they highlighted this guy and this guy. This guy is red, this guy is the. And so basically what you're trying to see is if the first word is equal to the second word, okay? So we have a few ways of doing this, but it's a very simple problem, right? So you just have to check to go through it. And you also want to make sure that you are like counting, because you want to remind yourself that this is the method header and that you want to return an integer, okay? So it says returns the number of matches as described in part B. So we're going to start with int, let's call it count, equals 0. And at the very end, I'm going to just throw it all the way down here, return count. Okay, remind yourself that you are no longer in the class that says first and second. You are in another class, so you need the getter, okay? So how do we do this? Well, I'm gonna do the enhanced for loop. For word pair P, excuse me, that's not correct. Semicolon, all pairs. This is to avoid using the dot get. If the first guy, right? If the first guy dot get first method, since this is a string, we have to use dot equals. If that p dot get second, so if that's true, then we're just gonna count plus plus. After we're done, we're gonna return the count. You might have like a semicolon, here and so on. But think about it. All you have to do is go through the for loop and see if the first guy is equal to the second guy. If you did not want to do that, then you are going to have to use, if you didn't want to do it this way and you wanted to use the int I, then you can go for int I equals 0. I is less than all pairs dot length I plus plus, and then you would have to do all pairs dot get I dot get first, okay, dot equals, and then do it again with the same thing but get second here. Okay, so that's and then if that's true, count, and then count plus plus and return the count. But that's why sometimes it's better to just use the enhanced for loop. Okay, so but that's how you would do it without the enhanced for loop. You would have to use the word dot get I, and you would just say all pairs dot get I dot get first dot equals dot all pairs dot get I dot get second, and if that's true, count plus plus. So I hope this was okay, and that's pretty much it for this problem. It was a nice one.